Let's be honest, SEO can feel overwhelming. There are keywords, rankings, algorithms, backlinks. It's a lot. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be confusing. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about SEO, from the very basics to the more advanced stuff, in a way that's simple, clear, and actually useful. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or digital marketer, this tutorial is for you. So grab a cup of coffee, maybe take some notes, and let's dive into the world of search engine optimization, the smart way. Oh, and if you're new here, welcome to Sutantralogy. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss any future updates. Chapter 1. What is SEO? Let's start with the basics. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. But what does that actually mean? Imagine this. You open Google and type best places to eat in Kolkata. Within seconds, Google shows you a list of websites, right? Now the real question is, how did those websites get there? That's where SEO comes in. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website so that search engines like Google understand what your site is about and show it to the right people. SEO has three main parts. On-page SEO, the content and structure of your website. Off-page SEO, things like backlinks that build your site's credibility. Technical SEO, making sure your site runs smoothly, loads fast, and is mobile-friendly. Don't worry, we'll go through each of these in simple terms. Chapter 2, Keyword Research. Now let's talk about something every SEO strategy starts with, keywords. Think of keywords as the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you're creating. Imagine you sell handmade candles. Your ideal customer might search for things like scented soy candles or eco-friendly candles online. Those search phrases are your keywords, and your job to figure out which ones are worth targeting. Here's how. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Ahrefs. Look at search volume. How many people search it monthly? Check competition level, how hard it is to rank. Understand search intent, what the person really wants when they type that keyword. And a golden tip, go for long-tail keywords. Instead of candles, aim for affordable handmade scented candles in India. They're more specific and less competitive. Chapter 3, On-Page SEO. Once you've found your keywords, now comes the part where you use them wisely on your website. This is called on-page SEO. Think of it like setting up a cozy, well-decorated shop that's easy for people and search engines to explore. Here's what matters. Your page title should include the keyword, like best scented candles in India. Your meta description should be enticing. It's what shows on Google's search results. Use headings H1, H2, H3 to break your content into readable chunks. Optimize images with alt text. Link to other pages on your site. This helps Google understand your content better. Basically, help Google and your reader understand what your page is all about. Chapter 4, Technical SEO. Now let's get into the part that sounds scary but really isn't. Technical SEO. This is all about making sure your site is easy to crawl, loads quickly, and works well on every device. Google loves fast-loading pages, mobile responsiveness, secure websites, HTTPS, clean site architecture, no broken links. Use tools like Google Search Console and PageSpeed Insights to test how your site performs. Think of it like maintaining your shop's plumbing and lighting. It's not glamorous, but it's essential. Chapter 5, Off-Page SEO and Backlinks. All right, let's step outside your website for a moment. Off-page SEO is everything you do to build your site's reputation. And the number one currency here? Backlinks. When another website links to yours, Google sees that as a vote of confidence. But not all links are equal. You want links from authoritative sites, relevant blogs or publications, social mentions and directories. How do you earn them? Write guest posts. Use the skyscraper technique. Create content better than what already ranks. Reach out to journalists using Haro. Just remember, don't try to cheat the system. Google is smarter than ever. Focus on earning links, not buying them. Chapter 6, Content that ranks. Now let's talk about the heart of SEO, your content. You can do all the technical stuff right, but if your content isn't helpful, no one's sticking around. Google ranks content that answers real questions, is well-structured and informative, is regularly updated, shows experience, expertise, authority, and trust, aka the EEAT principle. Add visuals, use real examples, and keep things fresh. Think, how can I make this the best resource on this topic? That's the mindset that wins. Chapter 7, Advanced SEO Tips. If you've made it this far, amazing. Now let's get into some advanced tips to future-proof your SEO strategy. Use topic clusters. Instead of writing random blogs, organize content around core themes with pillar pages and internal links. Optimize for voice search. Use natural language and FAQs. Improve your core web vitals. These are Google's new standards for loading speed, interactivity, and stability. Use AI tools like Surfer SEO or FRASE.io to fine-tune your content. SEO is no longer just about stuffing keywords. It's about understanding your audience and creating something truly valuable. Chapter 8, Essential SEO Tools. Before we wrap up, here's a quick toolkit every SEO beginner should know. Google Search Console. See how Google views your site. Google Analytics. Track visitors and behavior Yoast or Rank Math. On-page SEO plugins for WordPress Ahrefs, SEMrush. Keyword and backlink research Screaming Frog. Technical site audits. These tools are your best friends on this SEO journey. So there you have it, a full SEO roadmap from beginner to advanced. Start with the basics, build your content, earn trust, and stay consistent. SEO isn't a one-time thing. It's a long-term investment that keeps paying back. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. I read them all and love to help. This is Sutantra, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, rank smart, grow fast.